Alright, quick review of our newest library and GitHub. It's talking about how it works. Most of this is based on the properties of lava lamps. So as this lava lamp is colliding from the top, from the bottom going to the top, that would be going upward. And this would be the motion, the physics of going up. Then when you want to go downward, you would have to make the lava lamp move downward. So that's up, this is down, and then this over here as it collides to the left and to the right. This would mean it was going upwards to the left, and then if we go to there, it's upwards to the right. And if that's about it, you see it's about to go up some more. So now it's going down and going up, and that would be a moment where you can avoid collisions quite easily by passing through an object, and now you're still going down if you want to go down, and up if you want to go up. And that's about how it works.